Everybody were very confident about Ahan and Aneet. We all knew it's a good film, but this kind of love and adulation, I think, can happen only when the audience connects with the film. They were such sweet, well brought up kids. That's the first impression I had of them. Very nice, down to earth kids. फिर जब मैं गया सेट पे और मैंने उनके साथ काम किया और मेरा सीन था आहान के साथ और I was taken aback. I remember a very sweet Ahan and me had a shot and he just had to look at me and he kept looking at me and the director said cut. Then he asked me, "It's okay." No? I said, "It's fantastic." And Ahan has really worked on his skill. So that's why people have appreciated him. There's no other reason. And obviously, he was so lucky to have a director like Mohit Suri for his first film.
सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट सैयारा के लिए आपको क्या मिला है which is very close to your heart?
To be honest, I am overwhelmed right now यार. आप मेरे को एक चीज बोलोगे ना तो मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा है. I didn't even know. My friends called me up. I was shooting.
Krish Kapoor and Vani Batra का जो जोड़ी है,
जी.
Is it the modern day Rahul and Arohi?
I don't think I can compare RJ Arohi to these two because that was a different film. It was a different time. This is a different film, different time. But one thing you can compare is that they both were amazing. Whether it was Adi Shraddha or whether it's Ahan and Ani, they were both amazing in what they did. Hi, this is Shad Randhawa and I'm here with Shubhojit and on his channel. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you all for all the love that I've been receiving, all the love that's coming my way. Thank you so much. I really, really am overwhelmed by this. So thank you guys and I'll keep working hard in the future. शुभोजीत के सारे दर्शकों को जो उनका YouTube चैनल फॉलो करते हैं उन सबको वेरी हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Ladies and gentlemen, इंडस्ट्री को कहा जाता है a pack full of surprises and I think ये साल का अगर मैं बॉक्स ऑफिस के बारे में बात करूं the biggest surprise in the best way possible has to be Sayyara because when the going gets tough the tough gets going and I think in the box office space the going was actually tough and the people who have been associated with the film they have shown their toughness with the kind of good work that they have done and the results speak for itself. Shad bhai, how are you? Congratulations.
Very good brother, thank you. Thank you.
You're loving all the adulation, attention, love, success, लोगों से मिलने के टाइम पे प्यार से लेके इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम सब कुछ एक साथ एंजॉय कर रहे हो 360 डिग्री तरीके से.
एब्सोल्युटली भाई, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए इससे बड़ी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती कि आपका काम सराहा जाए जो ऑडियंस ने किया है. और मेरे साथ तो कुछ अजीब हुआ है. लोगों ने मेरे पुराने जो भी फिल्में मैंने की थी उन सबको भी याद रखा है,
right.
कैरेक्टर्स को याद रखा है. तो obviously it's a fantastic feeling और जब ऑडियंस से प्यार आता है और वैलिडेशन आती है उससे बेटर कोई चीज हो नहीं सकती कोई भी एक्टर के लिए.
बट दिल पे झांक के सच बात मुझे बताना सर कि एक सर्टेन सेट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस होता है कि वी हैव वर्कड हार्ड बट आल्सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट व्हाट वी डू इट्स आल्सो अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ अदर डायनामिक्स इन्वॉल्व लाइक ऑडियंस रिस्पांस कैसा होगा number of tickets being sold etc. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है that overall defines the success right.
Absolutely.
जो kind of success मिला है has it even exceeded your own expectations that you had in the beginning?
Absolutely. मतलब but at the same time everybody knew that we've made a very good film. Everybody were very confident about Ahan and Aneet. We all knew it's a good film, but this kind of love and adulation, I think, can happen only when the audience connects with the film and the characters. जो हुआ इस फिल्म के साथ और you know, we all are very grateful. I am very grateful because मेरा I think क्या 5-6 शॉट थे फिल्म में, तो मैं तो you know I was obviously I knew कि I'm looking the part जो as an actor you try to do, but इतना प्यार मिलेगा मुझे ऑडियंस से, हाँ, I'm just so grateful and thankful to my audience and to my fans.
But you know, अगर मैं you talking in that way कि you had few scenes, but I'm talking about the impact.
Yeah.
अगर प्रिंस नहीं होता
जी.
तो फिर you know वानी बत्रा and क्रिश कपूर नहीं मिलते. So basically the universe destined things in a way that Prince had a big role to play in terms of Vani and Krish eventually meeting together, because कोई भी relationship eventually successful हो, कभी ना कभी जाके वो point out जरूर है कहाँ मिले थे, कैसे मिले थे, तो उस context में Prince का नाम जरूर आता है, right? Those are fun-loving people, etc. You know, what were your conversations with Ahan and Vani? I mean, Aneet at that point of time जब आप लोग shoot कर रहे थे एक साथ, because I'm sure in terms of just the experience part of it, आपका कैमरा के सामने काम का experience ज्यादा है, right? So just as maybe a sheer senior, did they ask you certain things? How was the entire vibe and what were the conversations like?
It was amazing. It was a great vibe. जब मैं उनको मिला, जैसे मैंने पहले इंटरव्यूज में भी कहा है कि they were such sweet, well brought up kids. That's the first impression I had of them. Very nice, down to earth kids. फिर जब मैं गया सेट पे और मैंने उनके साथ काम किया और मेरा सीन था आहान के साथ, और I was taken aback because उनकी पहली फिल्म थी और मैंने मोहित को देख के बोला यार ये बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, तो मोहित ने मुझे कहा हाँ इसलिए तो लिया है. Same with Aneet. She had a scene where she had to interview me. Pat करके, and I looked at Mohit and I said यार ये पहली फिल्म में ये लोग you know इतने they are so good यार, हम तो ऐसे नहीं थे हमारी पहली फिल्म में, we were just learning the ropes and grappling, but they were so prepared. I think because they also, Ahan has been doing a lot of workshops with Shanu Sharma, you know, Aneet as well is a very good actor. There are a lot of work that went behind their craft that you know they're good at. So, and it was a great feeling. I remember very sweet. Ahan and me had a shot, and he just had to look at me, and he kept looking at me, and the director said cut. Then he asked me, "It's okay." No? I said, "It's fantastic." Yeah, so it was very sweet.
But you know, if I ask you this thing कि this is a very difficult time for newcomers. आप कोई बैकग्राउंड से आओ या आप कोई बैकग्राउंड से नहीं आओ, अगर आप कोई बैकग्राउंड से आते हो तो यू गेट सर्टेन अपॉर्चुनिटीज एक के बाद एक, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट वेरी गुड, एंड इफ यू डोंट कम अ बैकग्राउंड देन योर फर्स्ट वन इज एब्सोल्युटली, मतलब वो उसका कंपैरिजन हो ही नहीं सकता. वो चल गया देन ऑफ कोर्स इट ओपन्स अप न्यू डोर्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. If it doesn't work, then you simply, you know, you're somewhere in the hunt still and always hunting. You're nowhere in the run. In Ahan's case, around that also many film family people and their children have made their debuts. But what stood out for Ahan? What do you think? Because of late जितने भी और शायद you know ऐसे launches हुए हैं, nobody has kind of made that. Like say a director like Madhur Bhandarkar, for example, has said that he's the most promising launch from a film family in the last decade. What do you think has worked out so well for Ahan?
See, I think every actor has their own journey, and Ahan has had his own. You know, he's also wanting to be an actor for years now, or he's also faced a lot of rejection and disappointments like any of us do. He kept at it, he kept honing his skills, kept working at his craft, and I think we also know that you know when someone is good at what they do, you know somewhere it does resonate, and Ahan has really worked on his skill, so that's why people have appreciated him. There's no other reason, and obviously he was so lucky to have a director like Mohit Suri for his first film. So all those things matter. You cannot just pinpoint on one thing. Yes, what I can talk about the boy is that he's very hardworking, very sincere, and is very eager to learn and very good at what he does. I think that's what's resonated with the audience about him.
It's always difficult to leave an impact when you don't have too many scenes. अगर आपके पास मौका ज्यादा होता है तो आप आपके पास और ज्यादा you have the flexibility to kind of धीरे धीरे फैलूंगा मैं, राइट? बट जब सीन्स कम है,
Yeah.
उस बैंडविड्थ के अंदर एक इम्पैक्ट लीव करना इज अ टोटली डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर, राइट? How different was your approach toward this compared to, say, an Egg Villain, where you had a relatively longer role, for example, or maybe even Ashiki 2? Because
the process is the same. Yeah. When you're playing a character, you have to play it real. Like Bhatt Saab, like we were very lucky. We had a training ground like him. He always told me, I don't know about a good actor and bad actor. Try to be a real actor. You know, be a true actor. Be honest. Yeah, he said, be an honest actor. So just try to do the best of what you are feeling at that point of time for every role. Whereas आशिकी 2 है या एक अपना आवारापन थी, those characters are very real to how probably I am in my real life as well. So that's what Mohit saw, and he said, "You just be yourself." And so that was, something that came naturally to me. But where Prince was concerned, it we knew it's a very brief character. But मोहित said, भाई तुझे मेरी ऑडियंस को कन्विंस करना है कि तू स्टार है और तेरे पास 5-6 शॉट है. Now, work on that. So we worked on that. We worked on the look, and touch wood, yeah. I mean, it landed well.
But for someone like a Mohit Suri, who's recognized as one of the finest directors, especially in this genre, क्या है वो सीक्रेट बिहाइंड दैट रिपीट वैल्यू कि बार बार वो बाकी के एक्टर्स बदले या नहीं बदले, शाद को उनको रखना ही है? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर एक लकी चार्म लोग मानते हैं, बट ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ स्किल्स दैट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल. व्हाट इज दैट फाइन ट्यूनिंग का सक्सेस, आई मीन सीक्रेट?
See, like I always say, I'm very lucky that Mohit Suri, as a director, believed in Shad Randhawa as an actor, and he believed me in 2006 when he gave me Wo Lame. So he's always believed in me as an actor, and every time he thinks there's a part for me, I mean, I'm not in every Mohit Suri film, but only when he thinks there's a good enough part for me that I can justify, तो मुझे वो ऑफर करते हैं. अभी ये मेरी किस्मत है कि जिन जिन फिल्मों में मैंने उनकी फिल्मों में काम किया है, वो कैरेक्टर्स यादगार रह गए, वो फिल्में यादगार रह गई. अभी इसका क्या रीजन है? शायद ये रीजन है कि जो आवाज दिल से निकलती है वो दिल तक पहुंचती है. वी जस्ट ट्राई टू वर्क विद आवर हार्ट. We just try to give everything to the film, to the role. I think somewhere down the line it resonates with people.
सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट सैयारा के लिए आपको क्या मिला है, which is very close to your heart?
To be honest, I am overwhelmed right now, यार. आप मेरे को एक चीज बोलोगे ना तो मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा है. I didn't even know. My friends called me up. I was shooting in UK, so they called me up. They said, "भाई तेरे memes बन गए." I said, "हाँ." I said, "हाँ." They said,
That's the new way of appreciation.
Yeah. They said the people are talking about you. There are reels being made about you. Man, go check the comments, and they're all very positive. And to be honest, it felt really good. It felt good especially when I was reading the comments on all those. They were all so positive. Most of them, yeah, very, very positive. It's very heartening to know that जो आपने काम किया है पहले, लोगों ने वो भी अप्रिशिएट किया, वो आपको एज एन एक्टर अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, और अगर आपकी ऑडियंस आपको ये बोलती है तो वो दैट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग फॉर एन एक्टर.
आप कमेंट्स के बारे में बोल रहे हो. इफ आई गो एंड सी द सैयारा ट्रेलर ऑन यूट्यूब, एक comment which is there in different ways, people are presented in different ways, but the message is very loud and clear कि Bollywood needed a fresh pair and this kind of fresh talent for a long time. And they're referring to Aha, they're referring to Aneet as well. What do you have to say to that? Because for a long time, perhaps
maybe that space was empty for a very, very long time. That space was empty, and these two came, and it all worked out beautifully. There are so many things that are involved. Your hard work, your dedication, sincerity on one end, and then everything falling together like a divine intervention is the other. Now, how this happens, I don't have the answer for that. I think only God does.
You were a part of the celebrations that happened in.
No, I've not been here. I've not been here. But yes, we will celebrate soon. We'll all meet. We will probably have something
So
together.
पहला जो मुलाकात होगा
जी
आपका as a sort of celebration here in India अगर मैं
नहीं, मैं
बोलूँ तो
मोहित से मिला. मैं
you have met Mohit
I
ji, of
met
course.
Mohit.
Yeah,
I met Mohit. We
yeah.
had a lovely
Hmm,
conversation
hmm,
over coffee, and
hmm.
it was beautiful. And I'm so happy for him.
Has he already planned his next with you?
No, no, no.
We would want it to
No.
happen
I
that
think
way.
he's going to celebrate now
He
for a
deserves to.
couple of for a couple of months. I think that's what because he's done a lot of work. Yeah, he's done like I think 14, 15
Hmm.
films. That's a crazy amount of filmography, which I don't know if how many directors have here. And he's done that consistently and with different genres. His music has always been phenomenal.
Yes, he's known for that.
So all that he's getting is good, yeah. Together एक FD टूटी है उसकी, all those films
Yeah,
together
yeah.
that he's done now. Suddenly, because of this, all that is being celebrated, which is fantastic. Yeah, so happy for him.
Krish Kapoor and Vani Batra का जो जोड़ी है,
जी,
is it the modern day Rahul and Arohi?
I don't think I can compare RJ ROE to these two because that was a different film. It was a different time. This is a different film, different time. But one thing you can compare is that they both were amazing. Whether it was Adi Shraddha or whether it's Ahan and Ani, they were both amazing in what they did. They were great films that Mohit Suri directed. They both had great music, and I was lucky enough to be a part of these films, to witness this journey. And yeah.
But ये just coming to the last layer of the conversation,
Yeah.
but I would love to know कि movies do entertain, movies do connect. But मैं videos देख रहा हूँ social media पे, literally people are crying theater में, लोग रोते रोते निकल रहे. That is a different level connection altogether. ये मुझे खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या हो, because when I saw the movie, I loved it. I had an audience perspective to it, and I really, really loved it, and I felt connected with the story as well. But this mass connect with the youth,
Yeah.
you think this is the biggest reason why the movie has worked?
I don't.
Especially because I want to add कि आज के जमाने में organic
हाँ.
प्यार मिलना या love मिलना वो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया है.
Correct. I think love is love in any era. Whether we are the Gen Z or whether we are the millennials or whether we are anybody here. Love has no barrier. Love has no language. And if you make a movie out there, which is open, which is out there for people to see, and which hits the right note, it will always work, no matter what. Because it's love is beyond all. So when that connects, it connects a different level.
But it's difficult to find the kind of love that Krish and Vani have. Do you agree with that in today's time?
Yes, I absolutely agree with that. It's not easy to find, but I would also like to believe that it is possible, and I would also know of a few people who have that kind of love. Yes, कम है और कम होता जा रहा है जैसे ही हम ज्यादा हमारे फोन के साथ हमारा रिश्ता जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जा रहा है.
ऑप्शंस बढ़ गए ना.
हाँ, नहीं ऑप्शंस नहीं, हम खाली हम और हमारा फोन रह गया है. तो वो होपफुली धीरे धीरे it's all a it's all a come and go. एक ये भी फेज आएगा, ये भी जाएगा, but love will always stay.
Last question before I let you go would be कि in your entire career so far, what has been that one very close to your heart, karo dil ki marzi moment, if I can put it that way, where whatever suggestions and advices came your way, you kind of ignored all of it and listened to your heart कि नहीं मुझे यही करना है, and today when you look back you're very proud of that decision?
To be honest, these things just happen to me. I don't want to take credit of being the orchestrator of this because I've got nothing to do with this. I have just been an actor who's given my part and I have tried to give it my best. And the rest of the things have just happened. I have never planned anything in my life. And I don't intend to also in the future. I just would want to live in the moment and enjoy every moment that I'm living, and the rest is there.
Of course, that's always going to be the case, and
And you see the audience. I'm so again overwhelmed by the love I've got from them, and I mean, it's been a bit surreal for me. So yes, I'm again wanting to thank them a lot for appreciating me and my work, and I'll continue to work hard so that I don't disappoint them in the future.
and I'll tell you, it works like a drug. You know, आप अच्छा काम करते हो, वो मेहनत अगर people recognize and
Correct,
appreciate, you get all the way more motivated कि यार और अच्छा काम करो, because I'm addicted to that kind of love,
Correct,
right?
correct.
So I really hope that happens with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap with this fabulous conversation. Thank you so much. Give him all the love for all the other projects that he's going to be doing in the future. Sayyara को ढेर सारा प्यार आप लोगों ने already दिया है. Keep giving the movie all the love. Keep giving him all the love for all the wonderful projects that he's going to coming up with in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
जाते जाते मैं आपके लिए एक तोहफा लेके आया हूँ. This is a format that I have with all my guests over here. So अभी रक्षाबंधन भी आ रहा है.
अरे.
So maybe you can give this to your sister as well. This is
sure.
going to be something very interesting.
Thank
And I wish you all the best for everything that you do in the
Thank you.
future. Such a pleasure talking to you.
Same here, brother.
Thank you,
Thank
thank you. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only Shad Bhai. Give him all the love that he deserves. Thank you so much.